Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Anthony from S2K and the Ant, and today I'm gonna be installing this JDM rear bumper onto my Lexus IS300. The main differences between the JDM bumper and the USDM bumper is that the JDM bumper is much shorter compared to the USDM bumper, and it doesn't come with these side markers. You can see it's like a whole hand there, like half my hand. So I got this bumper from a JDM importer for a pretty good price, and it just came in today. It looks pretty good, and it's actually the same color as my car too, which is also good, so I don't have to paint it. One of the downsides is that it looks like there's like a mark here. It looks like the previous owner had like a lip on it or something. So there's some holes in here. Right here, there's a hole right here where that lip would bolt into. So I guess that means I need to buy a lip now. Oh well. So here we go. I'm going to start the install. So next thing I do is go under the car and remove all these push connectors. They're on the bottom. You can see them. There's like 5, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And basically, you just gotta start prying this with the screwdriver, and then you can just pop it out. It is handy to have like a trim piece remover. Makes life a lot easier than using a screwdriver and possibly breaking these, which sucks. So the trick to these is use a screwdriver to pry out the middle part, and after the middle part is out enough, you should be able to just pull it off with your hand like that. So next up is you have to remove the mud guard. There's 2 screws holding it on. This guy is up top. They're Phillips head screws, so get a really long screwdriver or get a ratchet with like a screw bit. You should be able to take the bottom off, top. So after the mud guard is off, you should be able to just pull back this piece, and you can see can't really see it up top here where my finger's pointing, where my thumb is. There's a 10mm bolt holding the bumper to the car. Let's see if I can get a better view. Yeah, you can see it's right there. So after that is removed, you can pull it out. You see this little knob that holds the bumper on. The next thing you gotta do is go to the trunk and remove these nuts. This is the bumper that I have. So you can see the studs on the bumper, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you go over to the car, there should be 4 nuts down here holding the bumper onto the car. Oh yeah, so don't forget to take off this headlight rear cover thing. It just unscrews like that, and once you do that, you should be able to just pull this whole section back. And then the other nuts are down here. Same thing as the other side. Alright, so here is the bumper off. Yeah, just don't forget to push it off from these clips things. And don't forget to unplug the harness for the side markers, because the JDM one doesn't have that. Alright, next thing you gotta do is remove the rear crash beam, because JDM bumper does not work with the rear crash beam. Looks like it's held on by just a few 10 or 12 mil bolts. Okay, so the rear bumper bar is off, so it's only held on by these 2 bolts and a nut on both sides. And there it is. Alright, so here is the final product. You can see how the rear taillights barely, you can see how the The rear bumper barely extends past the rear tail lights, so it looks super good. It's just a sticker, it's not bad. There is one thing I had to do, and that was I had to drill the bumper, this part of the bumper, because the hole for this top screw wasn't there. I don't know why, but it was a simple thing. Just drill it and screw it in. Besides that, this bumper is a perfect match to this car. So awesome. I know how to paint the bumper. It looks super short. So good. Yeah, so that was a quick and dirty install of my JDM bumper for my IS300. If you're looking for one of these bumpers, I can probably help you find one. Just hit me up. So good. Yeah, just hit me up in the comments and I'll help you find one. But yeah, that's it. All you gotta do is uninstall the bumper, remove the crash beam, install new bumper. Simple as that. Just bolts right on. And it's OEM goodness, so you know the fitment is good. Nice and tight. So it's been a few months since I installed this bumper. I actually sold that bumper and bought another one that's the same color, but this one comes with a lip. There's a little mark here, but it's whatever. So you really see how flat it is against the car. And another thing that I want to point out is that I got a JDM TRD exhaust, or just a muffler actually. You can see how it's nice and short. You remember the other one? Stuck out like over here. This is nice and short. So, pretty cool. I really like the look. Looks great. We're gonna do some more mods on this car. I already did the JDM window visors. So, if you like what you see, give me a like, and go ahead and give me a subscribe, and then I'll probably take more videos of some more mods I have to install on this thing, which is a few. Check out this cool cat sticker I got from Japan. Pretty awesome, right? Alright, see you next time.